Friends, you're watching here beautiful bunches of collections of silk sarees. If I talk about silk segment, silk is always majorly priority for in all states all over India. Not only in India, worldwide the collections, silk varieties from fancy traditional basis, worldly women's are prioritized for the Indian culture basis collections. So if you're really running a silk boutique or you want to start silk collections with varieties of clothing business, you can directly tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. Friends, today I brought for you only the fancy silk sarees with fancy silk blouse. In the lot of videos I've showed you fancy printed saree with fancy party wear blouse collections. But today I bought for you beautiful friendly budget varieties of fancy silk sarees with fancy running blouse. These collections you can quickly purchase and resell as you can add into your friends. Quickly you can add into your business and make your customers happy. So keep watching this video, friends. Subscribe the channel. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian, brought for you from this segment new variety from silk fancy silk sarees with latest new arrival collection. If I talk about these varieties, these are huge margin with profitable business. You can plan for silk boutique and silk shop or home based business and make your customers happy. Unique collections, if you want to purchase and add into your business, contact the wholesale manufacturers, which is located at Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. Shop you can visit Kesaria manufacturers. You're watching here the beautiful parrot green with a beautiful designer blouse with the golden stone with the yellow color thread work combination with the parrot green and the dark bottle green with the matte border, which is paithani 6670, and the body part color is dark purple with leaf butta work, which is very beautiful tradition of the silk saree. In this you have a 6 colors, which is a 6670 paithani is the code. You can contact and you can place an order. All these varieties for the baby shower, wedding, functional parties, get together, in the family events, you can buy these collections. So you can share with friendly also with the 6 colors, 7 colors, every individual design you can find out. The next color, which is tomato red with dark purple color, dark royal blue color also I can say, the beautiful traditional base butta border, south border, and in this you have a beautiful pinkish colored thread work and the golden stone with the beautiful leaf pattern butta. Every design you have a latest unique butta varieties with the fancy blouse sarees. If I talk about the next pattern, which is beautiful color combination, the dark maroon with mehndi green, you can see the butta work, which is you have a mini mild work, which is a dark tomato red or the maroon, and the tomato red color with the green, dark green color combination with the running blouse with the glossy silk butta design of fancy sarees I can see. Every saree is having a 6 colors. If you want to know the actual price, you can directly contact our online team. The next color, which is a pure south traditional base with yellow with parrot green border with the floral based, and you can see the dark green with the running blouse, which is paithani 6670, yellow with parrot green and green, which is always demanded, and contrasted color matching everlasting color shades I can say. These are all south based colors, which is very fast moving and high selling colors. If I talk about the next color, which is Rama green with one of the purple shade I can say. In this you can also see the magenta color blouse with the green color with the golden stone, which is placed. Every design a blouse with fancy. The saree body part of the butta work will be changed. In this you can see a sunflower butta work saree pattern. And if I talk about the next saree, which is very pretty color, in this you can see here the paithani border with the dark bottle green and with the rani color magenta you can see here, and in this you can see the parrot green with the multi thread work with the single golden stone which is placed, and the running chunky work with the matte golden and the butta work designer mountain border. So this is also one of the pattern 6670, which is a magenta color. Every saree is pure Kanjivaram pattern, Mysore silk pattern, even though we have a uniform color combination with the dark navy blue pattern, which is a mild butta work with the matte brownish shade or the maroon shade with the magenta color, combination of the running blouse with the purple color thread work and the golden stone which has been placed and the golden wiring work which has been used in the designer fancy. These all sarees are particularly every color you will find out six colors. This is what these collections are, very huge, and these latest unique varieties. Every single saree you will have a beautiful latest collections with the traditional border like Kanjivaram pattern, Mysore silk pattern, paithani border, all exclusive, many more varieties. If you want to know the actual prices, you can directly contact our online team, and the paithani 6670, you can share the code and you can quickly place an order. Pan India worldwide shipping we do provide you, and the COD options for Pan India. If you are located at out of country, you can buy around 1 lakh for the Indian currency. You can mix and purchase, or your particular purchase you can do from the silk also. You can place an order by customized order also, minimum 20 days before, 200 to 300 pieces also. We do have a linen, cotton, organza, jacquard silk, we have a tissue silk, paper silk, and we do have a Swarovski stonework, mild light colors, pastel colors, contrasted heavy border colors, mountain cut borders, butta work sarees, all these exclusive varieties you can purchase, which starts from 150 rupees from rapier silk segment. And if I talk about high range silk sarees, which starts from 300 rupees. So Banarasi is the highest range for the jacquard silk. Banarasi royal rich look pallu, it's up to 3,000 to 4,000 bucks. Hope you enjoyed this unique latest designer of fancy blouse sarees with silk varieties. So quickly contact online team and place an order. So for more information, website page, social media pages you can follow, and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and let me know what kind of collections you're looking for. To start your business 20 to 30k and unlimited budget, you can also tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. There's a bell icon, just click and subscribe the channel. Please share it with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video we'll meet with more collections and information. Until then, keep supporting friends. Take care. Bye-bye.